Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Emi Sitiani, NIM 2105111273. History of Engram. Not many know the early appearance of Steel. This game has been known from the time of the ancestors as a traditional game such as Congklak, Hide and Seek, Dragon's Knight, and other traditional games. Until now, there is still no further research the revealed when the first style game was used. However, the name still is taken from the Lampung language, which meant cutthroats, because this toy is made of long root bamboo. Each region has a different name. For example, in the Banjar area, South Kalimantan, it is called Batungkau. In the region of West Sumatra, called Tengka-Tengka. In the Sumatra language, Tengka means limb, while in Bengkulu the name is Ingkau, which means sauce made of bamboo. In Central Java, steel are called steel, which are adapted from the local name of a long-legged bird. Meaning of steel egrang or egrang is a long stick made of bamboo where a person can stand on it, then walk for a certain distance or time. At first, steel were a traditional sport or game which, if examined, is quite difficult to find where it come from. But some research say this game has existed since the Dutch colonial era, and this game was influenced by Chinese culture. The steel vocabulary still come from the Lampung language, which meant a bag made of long round bamboo. This steel game is actually quite unique and quite draining, because player must be skilled in maintaining body balance and walking stably on a long wood stage. The game developed and was quite popular in the 1900. There are some who make still a traditional game, but there are also those who consider it a traditional sport. Currently, style themselves can only be found when celebrating the proclamation of Indonesia independent on 17 August. The name for this style game in each region is different. In Kalimantan, it is called Batungkau. In Central Java, it is called Jangungan. Then in Bengkulu, it is called Ingkau. While in West Sumatra, it is called Tengka-Tengka. However, people are more familiar with the term steel or steels. Actually, they still do not only exist in Indonesia, but also in several countries that have a sport culture or this steel game, such as in several countries in Europe. In ancient time, postmen delivered lettering using steels. In Japan, steels are also a traditional game and are used as competition in a series of sporting events in elementary school. This traditional game or sport has a very deep meaning if we examine it again. Why? Because this game should be played with strong intention. When the bamboo has stepped on the foot, then lean forward to walk, the player should not hesitate, Player must walk so that they are balanced and do not fall. If they fall, it will hurt. It's the same with life. When we have made a decision, we must be determined and committed to completing it and must not hesitate. Values such as sportsmanship, hard work, tenacity are very strongly reflected in the cultural value of this style game. The value of sportsmanship is reflected in players who can accept defeat gracefully, and players do not cheat during the game. The value of hard work is reflected in the spirit of the player himself who strives to be able to walk quickly and steadily until he reaches the designated place. Then, the value of tenacity can be seen in the process of making wooden sticks that will be used for steel, where the bamboo must be made as good as possible so that it does not break or be damaged when the player cleans it. Anyone and from any country can play steel. Many people think that this steel can be used as one of Indonesia's traditional sport. However, unfortunately, now only in remote area or still cultivating this game or sport of steel. It can even be said that is it already difficult to find this traditional sport. There are even some artists say that this traditional game is almost extinct. Young people today are more familiar with gadgets or toys made of plastic that are imported to Indonesia compared to traditional Indonesian game. Maybe there are some children who do not know what the game styles, tops, height, and seek, and so on. Traditional games like this have started to enter museum and research or cultivation institution that can be researched for historical and cultural purpose. For those for those who want to see this game, maybe they can they they can only find it in certain area and at certain times. In fact, there have been many similar events featuring steel or other traditional games. Traditional games or sport must be maintained because they are part of history and sport in local wisdom. Don't let our traditional games and sport become exciting. Playing stills in the very entertaining us will us a means of building intimacy. This is because in the game of steel it is not done alone, but the need for the role of others people as opponents. In short, still are able to strengthen friendship relation. In addition, this game also train the player to be tenacious, full of hard work and sportsmanship. In fact, a number of studies have shown that still can train children gross motor and balance, especially if applied to children under the age of 7 years. Of course, when children play, they must remain under parents' supervision. Sekian dari saya, bila ada yang salah Mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.